How to enable or disable Nom lock in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to turn the Nom lock key on or off in Windows 11, even without touching your physical keyboard. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, head down to the Start menu and click on it. Now from here, go ahead and open the settings. And once you are in your settings, look over to the left hand menu and select accessibility. From there, simply scroll down until you see the keyboard option. Once you have found that, simply click on it. Now look for the toggle that says on-screen keyboard and switch that on. And here you will see the keyboard popping up on your screen. Now let's minimize the settings window so we can focus on the keyboard. Now next, click on the Options key right to the on-screen keyboard, and after that a new window will appear. From there, simply look for the checkbox that says Turn on Numeric Keypad. So here make sure that it's checked, and once you're done with that, simply click OK. Now the number pad should show up on the screen. So you can go ahead and click the Nom lock key right there. So to test if it's working, open up Notepad, and once it's open, try using the number pad. And if nothing types out, you can try clicking Num lock again and test it one more time. And after that, it should be working. And once you're done, you can close everything out, and that's it. That's how you can enable or disable Num lock in Windows 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.